Welcome back, everyone. My name is Joel Feld, and today's video isn't necessarily going to be on showcasing a tutorial or learning something new. It's more about just inspiring and talking about sharing content that you've created. There's lots of creative people in this world. There's lots of creative people on this platform, on YouTube, on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all over the place. Many people create content that really never gets seen. You have phenomenal photographers out there. You have people that can create literally anything. I just wanted to say it's okay to share what you create. Whether you think it's bad, whether you think it's good, if you created a birthday slideshow, if you took some video and created your own home movies, if you're a photographer and you want to share your content, just share it. Don't worry about what people think. Don't worry about any of that at all. So with that being said, a few months back, I actually worked on a project for a relative of mine in Arizona. They had some real estate properties and they said, hey, Joel, you should come out here and create a video to market and help us sell these real estate properties. And do you do that kind of thing? And I said, yes, I do. So I just want to show you something that I've created in the past couple months. It was pretty much a highlight video of the subdivision in Cottonwood, Arizona. So if you're looking for a home in Arizona, it's a beautiful landscape. Let me just show it to you here. I'm not affiliated with anything from Squarespace, but here is the website that I created. And I love Squarespace, by the way. If you're looking to build a website, honestly, like if you go to squarespace.com, create a free account, play around with it. But here is the website that I created. It's called Quail Canyon Cottonwood, and I had the layout here, and I was able to embed some videos, insert some photographs, and have kind of all of the information that they needed to present this and have it kind of like a digital business card. And if we actually go to there, if we do a search for Quail Canyon Cottonwood, here is the actual website here that I built. So I just wanted to showcase it because I think it's important to show the content that people create. Otherwise, people never see it. But this is pretty much the subdivision here. And it's just really beautiful place. So to sum this picture up, or these photographs up, and to sum this website up, I'll show you the couple minute highlight video that tells you about the subdivision. And yeah, and I just wanted to share something that I've created, and not necessarily a tutorial of how to do it, but just things that I do on top of everything else that I kind of do. So without further ado, drum roll. I don't have any drumsticks, but you know, here we go, drum roll, and let's watch the video. Welcome to Quail Canyon, a private community located in the heart of Cottonwood, Arizona. Inside these beautiful gates, we have private available lots ranging from 1.6 to 3 acres in size. Not only that, Quail Canyon includes paved streets, city water, natural gas, and electricity. Quail Canyon has spectacular views. Red Rock State Park steals your view in the distance, while sunsets fall behind Mingus Mountain right in your backyard. And if that's not enough, you can relax among one of the many local vineyards, take a day hike through the city of Jerome, or pack up the car and drive into Sedona, which is only 17 miles away. The Cottonwood community has so much to offer. It is home of the Verde Valley Medical Center, a phenomenal surgical facility and teaching hospital that has support for over 100 care beds but is also served by more than 200 doctor providers. Quail Canyon could be the future home for your growing family or your quiet little oasis for retirement. Either way, once you take a visit to this beautiful town of Cottonwood, Arizona, you may end up calling it home. So that is my video. Thank you so much for watching. I would love to see what you are creating. Leave a comment below. If you liked what you saw, hit that like button. If you enjoyed the content on this channel, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell, and we'll see you next time.